Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Concrete, not concrete, you know, concrete.
I don't come over. Night soup. Mix what about
Jella. Yeah. So that was a good look. Yeah.
Love it, yeah. Real.
Especially I give you the strength that we need. Yeah. And this is only the start. Eh? Yeah, man.
Yeah, my little tally pump. Yeah, them strength to get it. Be a people. Look boy, steer on him. Man,
Cool, man. Yeah, good. Yeah, first, she first.
Yeah, still satisfied.
Yeah. No, man. Yeah. Cheers.
Oh, you go for that team. No, everyone just come up.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know things and come with a progress.
I can't take you far away. Cool now? Yeah. I like. Gross.
Watch me now.
Well, we are celebrating Dream Team. They are for the people them in need. What? There's a cox when I throw cement. He might find the spot.
As usual.
Yeah.
Is that just now? No.
Marley
Give me some more.
So quick.
Watch it. So by 1 week time, I wait now where I do. Tile out of them. Can by tomorrow.
Flashing and go on.
Alright.
Yeah.
Finish.
Alright. So you know what win now, we're going next.
I'm walking things there. First and the chef goes to the
Whoa. Italian spice. Let him say, whoa.
Italian spice.
Man, I bring the chicken. How the man I bring the right now, man?
The chain. Cargo.
I'm going to take a look shot.
Yeah.
That thing was weird for me.
See you there.
Oh man, as this done, you just try to do my girl in here, you know.
Food. You watch your TV.
Good life.
Good life.
Yeah man, I said set man. Good life. We now look your wife. Good life.
Cheers.
Nah, stop it with no good life.
Yeah.
Good life.
Good life. No shit.
How are this magic? Beer.
Beer.
Beer as me there. Beer. Red stripe beer. My friend I drink Compare over there. My friend I drink Compare over there.
Yeah.
And beer over here.
Yeah.
I'm a big up Korea over there.
Yeah. Corey.
Just go and pick up yourself, you know. See that?
Yourself, man.
Certain things,
we know how
man.
go on,
Only for football, yeah.
Hello. Why would they laugh?
Don't even laugh there.
Yeah. Don't eat that laugh there.
Teacher tell them, don't even laugh there. No tattoo.
Shit.
Yeah, them love me tattoo, you know. Them so pussy him tattoo.
So you're not sending no close today. Where go on?
Yo, here one now, you see close thing, kind of slow down, you know.
Yeah.
See the community I move away. So the close thing slow down. So it could have soon pick up back and have panties for the ladies.
Yeah.
Be a panties for the ladies.
I'm bra, in a bra.
And bro,
Yes.
bro, I mean, I have battery rider for you ladies, you know, you hear that? So the thing global away, fix up around here. You don't know.
Oh,
Prince, big up yourself again. Same thing yet with there. Seeing Corey likewise, respect and honor, respect in every aspect. No farmer disrespect.
shit.
No a DJ car, you know. Right now I stop play football now and select me and select my son. You're done.
Yeah. Boy, yeah.
Oh yeah, the real boss. Why you put it up at the girl them?
A boy up on the phone. Yeah. Chiman, thumbnail is. Chiman cargo.
Man, click.
And pussy.
Man, I just a drip.
Yeah.
Ice dripping, you know?
Eyes dripping.
Yeah, man, that's how you curtain a minute to wipe it off, isn't it? Yeah, man.
Yeah. Me never catch a pot today, boy. Where you cook today?
Yeah, man, I hold a picture of your text still, man, you know?
Me never catch a food pot today.
Rice, white rice and butter. Butter bean and saltfish.
Beer bean, man.
Beer bean, brother.
Beer bean, you cook, man.
Butter bean, beer. Butter bean, beer bean. Beer bean, brother.
And boy, I always say butter bean, you know, why, you know?
Should be love butter. Favorite thing that. You know why? Should be love butter bean, man.
Yeah.
Man, that's why man always the make, you know.
True.
Beer bean and saltfish, you know, and white rice.
White rice.
Yeah, man, and one thing I'm mackerel on the side, you know, for back it up, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you see, fast Carol come and make nothing here, you see me, I tell you. Just come, fast Carol, know yourself, man.
There's food over there in the pot.
But food them can give him some, you know.
Alright then.
20 minutes, oh, never know that. And Jesus shit, man. Yeah, man. One dozen man of chef for me, man.
Half on the rice.
Yeah, man, one dozen man of chef for me, one fish, you know.
What's up? Shit.
Right, what's up? Yeah, man. Well,
Youth.
like yourself, you know. Italian spice. Going, brother.
True.
Yeah, man. Apple pie, you know, call me, I must give a number already, you know.
Yeah.
Number 1, 2, 3. If you can't press card, get me press 4. Apple pie, I can't press nothing, man.
They say 1, 2, 3. She can't get you to press 4.
You see?
Yeah.
So, come on, you see me?
Cool man, everybody I talk about the body that's
Yeah, man. I love the people, them too, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody, you know. All the big up, you know. All of the man, them start.
Cheers.
Everybody, you know.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah, man.
Cheers.
Yeah, man. Respect everybody, they send us donation for the youth, yeah, man, you know. Food for eat, you know.
Yeah. Journey have to take on.
Yeah, journey have to take on, because all the work there. We don't start yet.
No.
Nothing, man. Big up all, you know. Big up everybody, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Body of Europe, England, America, anyone there in a foreign, just big up on yourself.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
And look like we got the whole of the team them. Contribute to me. Thank you very much. Each and one of us. Father God bless you.
So if we got Marvin Morgan thing come up, you know.
Yeah.
And next month you are the first and the second. Yeah, man.
The football.
Yeah, man. Football team.
Football. Yeah. We have to go start out the date. The first or the fifth? Or the sixth? No, the fifth.
On the 6th later.
No, the sixth. No, I'm not going to about the sixth.
Not the 6th.
That'll be the first, if anything.
Hey Marvin, the Dream Team versus Savio.
First.
Watch yourself around. You know what I said? The Dream Team versus Savio.
Yeah. We're gonna organize it because she said we shall go. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man. First, you know, we don't know, you know.
Yeah.
All competition, all for niceness, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Fish and roast, you know what I say?
Yeah, right.
When they're not in the kitchen now playing football and I know who this 10 Piero.
Then Piero.
Like I play ball, you know.
Yeah. I trick him and screw up on him there.
Yeah, man. Second half now come on, you see me?
Yeah.
Now play first half, you know, come on, you see? Second
Yeah.
half.
Second half.
Yeah, man. Second half now come on.
Cheers.
Big man twins, and the man a wicked ball, Prince.
Yeah, in them days. Yeah, so we say I run out to Prince. I mean, man, take the man. Yeah. Sig nice.
Everything nice.
Nice. Cool, man.
Yeah, man. We got one of them.
Cheers. Cheers.
MP, wait a minute.
Yeah.
I like that. Really? Yeah.
Carl Mason. Ah, the Mason.
Yeah, you know?
Cool, man. Yeah. See there. Yeah.
Team after
Yeah.
Dream Team.
Dream team. Talpi.
Shut up, Kino.
Man always on the scene.
Yes, I am.
First setting this floor.
Nah, leave it alone.
Use up the concrete today, huh?
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Nah, we just nothing.
Dog,
Flooring already.
skip off now.
Yeah, man. That can't go on.
Sure. Get everything undone. Yeah, Baja.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Man, it's a work, man.
Looking good.
Working.
Yeah. You're on the mission. You're on the mission.
Since you want to accomplish, you know?
So you don't know, I make the people them know soon, say you're the official shirt them.
Yeah.
Coming soon.
Yeah.
You see me? So I'm gonna see it, the website coming soon for the official shirt them, so you don't know.
So we can put New York City in the back. New York.
Yeah.
Twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Twice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Twice on the back. Yeah.
Yeah, New York.
New York.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we are tell the fans them and the viewers them, but just say the official shirt them will be coming soon.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So we're gonna see the website.
Total progress, total niceness, and togetherness. The dream of work, or the dream team this. And if you see it, we come to change things and make the world know. And the world I see it right now.
Yeah.
People out there see it and appreciate it. Even the people in my foreign, them see it and say, boy, when they watch a program, it's like them back at home.
Yeah.
Because we highlight the grassroots of the people. You understand?
True.
Because a man without his past, knowledge of his past, it's like a tree without root.
Yeah.
You understand?
True.
And right now we come to set the trend. Because we are the grassroots of the people.
Yeah.
And without the root of the tree, you can't bloom, can't blossom. Branches them not a use.
True.
Can't bear fruit.
True.
So if we nurture the root and the roots, which are the ghetto people them right now, we're lost and forgotten. And you come right now and highlight the needs of the people them. It's a blessing. And people out there see it and appreciate it. And I show the love and strength. Every day I can come on here, say, give this. Give a man that. Contribute that. It will joy. To know say we are uplift some of the life and I change some of the life. And I take them out of them situation. And I them think them I love. You see, without the love it can't work. Because if you notice the camaraderie between the whole away. A total love and total niceness. Mustering.
The vibe, right.
Drink, everything. No liquor and animosity. Because we don't believe in the negativity.
No.
We don't believe in the gun. We don't believe in the hate. We don't believe in the grudge. Straight love. You understand? So we are trying to set that example that youth them can see it and know say positiveness. We are dealing. And with love, everything possible, brother. Strength and unity that can change the world.
Of course.
Because if the world that live like this right now, all we there so I live. Everything that nice. Because if you see it, you can see it. I try to make a difference in some of the life.
Of course. It's so joyful, nice.
And people glad.
As a Marvin say, we are his love for conquer the world.
Conquer the world.
Yes, I mean, conquer love alone
unity,
can
brother, love and strength, man. And once we have that, man,
nothing can beat
nothing
that,
can beat it, man. We just have to preach it.
And we are the
glad
prime.
for the support out there. And all who contribute, who are watching now and I look and see it. Yeah, man.
Yes.
If I even just the acknowledgement for know say you watch it and see it, we appreciate it same way. You understand? Because that is a blessing. Somebody else can see it and you can tell somebody can come in and come see a TV and say, wow, that a go on, I wear that. So I'm more strength to that too.
Of course.
We now just watch little things where you send, but the simple things. It's not just what you're doing, it's what you do on the thought it count. So all them things that we get, man, we love and appreciate it, man. So if not dollar, man, we appreciate it because we never ask anybody for anything. And you find it in your heart to see it necessary to help and reach out as much as we are trying to reach out just for the people and make a difference in their life. And you know you come here and make a big difference because you see you right now, changes in life and I eat this. Many people want this, but it's like them afraid to make the first step. You come here right now and open people eye and make them see where I go on here right now. Well, bigger people are head away. Should I see long time. And them turn a blind eye. You understand? But them realize and see it now and know say lost and forgotten people, them still there. You understand? And it take you to come here come see that and highlight it and build a crew. And build some youth with good mind. Positiveness and the way forward to make the change. So whosoever they out there right now still can come on board and help to support the thing and make the change and make it even grow stronger and bigger. Because we're there to make you feel good. As much as you are make we feel good. You understand? So bless up all who do them thing and continue to bless it up. You understand? And all who out there still feel like say, come on board same way. Because the dream will work. The dream team there. Every time.
More than welcome. You see me? Dream team boy.
Dream team.
Chef.
I sleep a while and wake up, you know.
You see it?
That dream and wake. So that's a wake up dream.
And I want success above.
Italian now. Italian spice.
Let's sleep and then wake up.
Real man.
Yeah, you know?
The first show we go there, you know?
Man, the official shirt them will be launching soon.
That's it.
Soon, so the website up and running. And we have beg the people them for the support, same way.
Which is right.
The thing up.
Which is right.
People them love the shirt, you know.
You understand?
And it's only temporary. Yeah. Prince, be a smile.
It's right.
Bright.
Bullet the man.
She's right.
What?
Yeah.
Kino met them personally.
Yeah. The dream team.
Dream team, in the back, see me like
Yeah.
Watch it now, I know my dream team.
Yeah. Yeah, Prince. Sorry about that.
Big up all you, man. Everything possible. With smile. Yeah, man.
Alright, that's true.
Watch you now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch you now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.